So what is the purpose of this distinct statement? The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct or different values or unique value. Like when you guys use the distinct statement, then you guys are only able to see you guys will not see any repetition of the value. You guys only will see unique values. One time only. Okay. So guys, this is the syntax. This is the syntax that to imply the distinct. First, you guys have to use select statement because still we are getting the data back from tables, right? So whenever you have to get the data, this is a thumb rule. You have to use select state. Select. Then you guys have to give a keyword distinct, and then you guys have to give a column name. Make sense or no? Yeah. Make sense? And then
Yes.
from customer. For example, in my scenario, I want to see unique cities, right? So the column name is city, and all the query will be same. Only I can add here the keyword distinct. Here you go. Select distinct city. No, observe that, guys. There is a 91 records in our result. No, if I can run my query, it is only 69. Why? Yes, it's mean that my customer belongs to 69 different cities. For example, I want to expand the business. I want to see, okay, which cities my customer is already there, and so I can focus on other cities. So this is the filtration of the data.